to input patient information on a Remedy Model 1001. Inputting patient information. The patient information icon is available in several locations. However, for this video, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the Tools pull-down menu positioned at the top left-hand side. Simply select Patient Information. For this action, please ensure that a patient wand is positioned over the patient's device and the device is switched to off mode to save the information. Select the off option and press the program button. The model number and serial number will be automatically populated. We will begin with the patient ID and proceed to inputting the lead information. The patient ID section has a limit of 6 characters, which can consist of numerical or alphabetical characters. The patient ID will vary depending on the account. To physician contact information, we will enter the name of the implanting physician along with 2 additional pieces of information: the hospital name where the Remedy device was implanted, and the name of any concomitant device company if applicable. Next, select the date of implant for the Remedy device. Under the patient's time zone, choose the appropriate time zone from the list provided. Finally, input the lead information. There are sections for active stimulation lead and sensing lead, as well as non-viable stimulation and sensing lead. Simply enter the model number, serial number, and the date of implant under each section. Once all information is verified, select Save. The final step is to return the device to therapy or monitor mode. These steps outline how to input patient information into the Remedy Model 1001.